Hi, welcome to this lovely Winterpark condo just minutes from Naples' award-winning white sand beaches. This beautiful two-bedroom condo has been completely renovated from top to bottom and reconfigured to create a more spacious kitchen and guest bathroom. Some of the many upgrades include hurricane impact windows and sliding doors, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, tile throughout, new lighting and fans, renovated bathrooms, and newer hot water heater and AC. The open, spacious floor plan has large bedrooms and plenty of storage, and rear lanais have just been approved by the association. Winter Park residents enjoy a huge, recently renovated resort-style pool, renovated clubhouse, tennis courts, pickleball, bocce, shuffleboard, activities, and low fees. What a great opportunity to live the Florida lifestyle you deserve.